Right guys, so this is a little mini one. This would be down to cleaning the cassette toilet, which I'm not looking forward to, and I've been putting off, to be frankly. So yeah, going to be cleaning that. This is going to be a short one, but yeah, going to be cleaning that today. Going to inspect the motor and stuff like that. I think I know where it's located. I believe it's located underneath the toilet roll holder that's in the side of it. So yeah, gonna get that cleaned. Like I said, if you don't want to watch this, you don't have to. There is a few people who've been asking, so yeah, and I'm gonna try and catch as much as I can of that gruesome stuff that's in there. So, you know, that might all be up here. I gotta crack on. Okay guys, so a bit of an update on this disgusting thing. So I found the pump, which is located in underneath where the toilet roll holder is. I do need a new black seal, that literally disintegrated. So as you can see by the wiring, I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. I can guarantee it's not. Bear in mind this is underwater, so I can guarantee there'll be a short on that somewhere down the line. But I've kept it up to a battery. So I'll just show you this. So you can obviously hear it. Pump definitely works. That is absolutely disgusting. Oh dear, that is vile. Okay. So as I was saying, the pump works, obviously the shutter works. I think I'll close it up for a minute. It's a bit sticky, so I think I need to clean that as well. So yeah, I'm going to get this wiring sorted. At least the pump's all good, and we're going to try and tidy these up, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to try and do that and get that sorted as well. But yeah, I'll move the camera back over there and we'll get started. Right. What? Oh my god. It's looking rather brown. Oh, okay. So I understand I have to. Oh my god. Oh dear. Okay. Oh dear. Two zones, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Just trying to. Right. Oh my god, look at that. It's literally like. Oh, oh my god. Right, where's the oh, oh dear. I've never felt so fucking dirty. Well, Alright guys, so I did say it would be a quick one. Apologies for the gagging on that. As you probably noticed, I started tipping it, but it just became a bit too much for me. But then I did obviously come back to it after my stomach had settled a little bit. It's so yeah, that was the toilet. I can tell you now, it absolutely stank. What I'm confused at though is whoever done a number 2 in there. It's there's no toilet roll. It's but yeah, in the little holder there's a whole brand new roll, which was originally in there. So maybe they were just worried about using toilet roll, I guess. Anyway, so that is the toilet being cleaned. I'm going to sort the wiring out. So the pump does work, as you've seen, which is good news. I'm going to sort the wiring out before I put it all back together. I need to order a new, I guess it's like an O-ring to go around that seal. So get that ordered. I'll look online and get that ordered. Yeah, so at the moment it's back over there underneath a plastic sheet, clear plastic sheet. So hopefully with some nice decent weather in the next few days, the heat will help dry it all out. I've left the flappy bit open, just obviously allow that to dry out and air out and everything else. But yeah, so that is the toilet cleaned. It's wasn't looking forward to it, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go strip off and go upstairs and have a shower because I feel disgusted. But yeah, have fun, and we'll be back in the van tomorrow. So I've been I'm sort of on the crossroads at the minute because I want to do this. There's certain things I want to do, and there's certain things I have to do, otherwise I'll mess up. So one of the things, well, to be honest, I didn't think 2 steps ahead. Like I said, I've never done one of these before, never done a van conversion before. So when I stuck the 5.5mm ply up on the ceiling, obviously I glued the polystyrene to the alley, and then the ply to the polystyrene, and then screwed it all. Yeah, so I bought some downlights, some like flush downlights to go in there, and I'm scratching my head because I have to drill a hole for them to sit in, which is fine. I've got no way of feeding the wire through the polystyrene because I can't. If I've unscrewed it and I kind of tried putting it down, and it's just not. It's not budging at all, and I don't want to obviously break things. So at the moment I'm screwing. I'm scratching my head on that one. If you guys know a way I could put a channel through polystyrene, I was thinking bamboo stick, but obviously that would be straight, and I needed it to go through a sort of tilt. If you know what I mean. Put it in the comments. I would really like to know. But yeah, so at the moment, like I said, I'm juggling, trying to get all the steps in place for it all just to click in like a game of chess. Hopefully I don't lose. But yeah, cool. I'll leave it there. Have fun, and we'll see you on the next one.